Hi everyone, welcome back to Amazing World. Today we're talking about a beauty trend that has taken the world by storm: eyelash extensions. Are they worth the hype? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the pros of getting eyelash extensions. Host pro number 1. They look absolutely amazing. Eyelash extensions give you fuller, longer lashes that can significantly enhance your eyes and overall appearance. They can make your eyes pop and give you a more youthful and vibrant look. Host pro number 2. They save you a lot of time. With extensions, you can skip the mascara and eyeliner, cutting down your daily makeup routine. Imagine waking up every morning with perfect lashes ready to go. This can be a game changer, especially for those with busy schedules. Host pro number 3. They're highly customizable. You can choose the length, curl, and volume of your extensions to match your desired look. Whether you want a natural appearance or a more dramatic effect, there's an option for everyone. Host pro number 4. They last for weeks. With proper care, eyelash extensions can last anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks before needing a touch-up. This means you can enjoy beautiful lashes for an extended period without much maintenance. Now let's move on to the cons of eyelash extensions. While they can enhance your look, there are several drawbacks to consider. Host, con number 1, maintenance. Extensions require regular upkeep and touch-ups, which can be time-consuming and costly. You may need to visit the salon every 2 to 3 weeks to keep them looking fresh and full. This can add up in terms of both time and money. Host con number 2, potential damage. Improper application or removal can damage your natural lashes, leading to breakage or loss. Even with proper care, the weight of the extensions can sometimes cause strain on your natural lashes, making them weaker over time. Host con number 3, allergic reactions. Some people may have allergic reactions to the glue used in the application process. It's important to do a patch test before getting extensions to ensure you don't have a sensitivity to the adhesive. Host con number 4, lifestyle limitations. You'll need to be careful with water, makeup, and sleeping positions to avoid damaging the extensions. Activities like swimming or using oil-based makeup removers can weaken the adhesive bond, causing the extensions to fall out prematurely. Additionally, you might find yourself adjusting your sleeping position to prevent crushing your lashes. So there you have it, the pros and cons of eyelash extensions. Whether they're worth it or not depends on your lifestyle, budget, and personal preferences. Host, a few tips before we go. Always go to a reputable technician, follow aftercare instructions carefully, and if you experience any discomfort, consult a professional. Host, thanks for watching Amazing World. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time. Remember, the quality of the products used can make a big difference in the results. Investing in good quality extensions can save you from potential issues down the line. Also, don't forget to clean your extensions regularly to maintain their look and health. Confidence is key, and feeling good about your appearance can boost your self-esteem. So make sure to choose a salon that you trust and feel comfortable with. We hope these tips help you make an informed decision about eyelash extensions. Host, until next time, stay beautiful and take care.